The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. Many civilians have lost their lives from the banana. Residents report that people spawn in the Roblox game Banana Eats. The banana was last seen in the Indianapolis Zoo. If you encounter the banana, do not try to run away, as it can occur death. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio. Normal programming has gone off the air. It has been confirmed the banana is a green, ripe banana with razor-sharp teeth. We advise all of Indiana to seek immediate shelter. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis Police Department. The banana that was attacking earlier found the nuclear power plant and gained access to the power plant. If you are a 50-mile radius within this power plant, we advise you to evacuate or get in a bunker. The banana is still on the loose. The banana interacted with a button that led to this meltdown. We advise all of Indiana to seek immediate shelter, and when the banana started attacking, there was 4 kids found dead near Beech Grove High School. If you are near the banana, run away immediately. This is our last message. I repeat, this is our last message. The power plant that went off caused mass destruction in Indiana. This is a very dangerous situation. We cannot do anything to prevent this from spreading across the globe, so this is our last and final message. May God bless us all.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more.